Right, we're going to assemble the stepper motor and limit switches on our camera base here. This is our stepper motor. These are our limit switches. You'll notice that we have 4 sheet metal screws and 2 washers. What we're going to do is set the stepper motor in place, and what we'll do is fold these wires down by just pressing lightly like so. We'll slide the stepper motor in place, and it will pretty much stay right there. We'll place one of the little washers over the mounting hole like so. We'll take the stepper motor limit switches with the short wire and put it in place with the sheet metal screw through the washer side hole like so. We'll take our Phillips head screwdriver and we will proceed to screw that in like so. We'll tighten that up. Then we'll put a second screw through the stepper motor limit switch mounting hole like so, and we'll fasten that down. We'll take the second stepper motor limit switch, placing the washer like so, putting the mounting screw through the switch hole, and we'll align that, and we will proceed to tighten that up. Now, seems I missed it. There we go. All right, we'll do the second hole with the mounting screw. And then we'll proceed to plug in the connector. Notice the little arrows here, fitting in the slot, putting it in place like so. Now, the finished assembly should look something like this. We have the stepper switch cable here, the 2 switches in place, the stepper motor mounted like so, the motor wires on the back side. We have the connector in place here,